Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make your TikTok account private. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First step is you have to launch or open your TikTok application. And then here on your TikTok application, what you're going to do is you have to look for your profile. Your profile is found here at the bottom right corner. Click your profile right here. And then after you have clicked on your profile or once you're on your profile, what you're going to do next is you have to tap on this three lines at the top right corner. Click this one. And then here you should see the following options. Tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you should look or tap this privacy that is below account here. Tap on privacy. And then just toggle on this one right here. So it says private account. If you want to set this on or if you want to turn this one on, then it will make your account private and only the friends you have accepted can see your post. And you will see it right here that you have to make your account private. So basically, that's how easy it is on how to make your TikTok account private. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.